Alright, welcome to Micromart TV. I'm Donald Becker, the Master Micro Maker. Today, quickly, we are going to show you our wooden trestle bridge, item number 88523. Here is a finished product here. I know that these are very often scratch built and can be very difficult to cut and assemble. So with my designs, I tried to make it a little builder friendly. So we have some parts that I want to show you here. Here are the risers. These are all laser cut 1/8 inch basswood. So these are ready to go. So there's 12. This should span a 16.5 inch gap. But we have the risers here. And you line these up. Here are the lateral supports. You just press them out of the basswood. And you add them to the risers. Here are the cross beams. You can just take an X-Acto knife and just punch those right out of there very easily. This is a 32nd inch basswood. So really there's only 5 separate parts to this. There's just several of them. So in the directions, you just when you build them, you just repeat it 12 times. And then you can put it into a diorama very similar to this. This is very strong. It'll support any HO scale railroad freight or passenger train. Thank you for joining us. And visit us on all social media sites and www.micromart.com.